Another day, another vlog, squad. We're out here in LA. Right now, as I park my ride, the little, you know, the little ticket meter for the parking, it wasn't working. Excuse me. So it wasn't working, right? This dude pulls up. He's like, it's not working? I'm like, nah, it's not. So he tried to help. He's like, here, give me your card. What? Give me your card? I was like, hell no. It's like, I ain't gonna steal your card, bro. I'm here every single day. He's a homeless dude. You can't trust nobody though, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. He helped me. The charge went through. Gave the guy a few bucks. You never know. There is bad people in this world. You know what I'm saying? Not everybody's bad. Excuse me. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. So far, so good. Hopefully we don't run into no trouble. Things happen. Hey, these streets are active though. A lot of people walking their dogs out here. Earlier I ran into Playgirl over there by K-Town. She didn't recognize me. I'm like, hey, what's up? She's just dogging me. It's crazy how we know people all around through social media. I hit her up, like, hey, that was me right now. I just saw you. Like, oh shit, my bad. She's from the hood. That's pretty cool. She was walking her dog. See that name? Chaka? That guy Chaka's been everywhere. He's always catching spots. Excuse me, sir. I think you dropped something.
I think my cigar. Thank you very much.
Yep, no worries.
Say hi, no more.
Oh, sorry.
I want you to hit me because hey.
What's that? Oh, okay. All right.
I got a cold coming on. I feel.
All right, well, have a good one. You guys starting a vlog? I do not recommend you guys doing this. You know what I'm telling you? Just don't even risk it. These streets are dangerous. Please tell me this hill, please tell me this hill, please tell me this hill. It's not hill? Yeah, yes it is. Yep, and I parked right here. It's gonna be it, squad. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna keep making more bike vlogs. Let me know in the comments what city you want me to vlog next. I'll head over there and see what's up. Kind of wanted to go to Arcadia, to be honest. Arcadia, Beverly Hills area, all the nice areas, you know. All right, squad, till next time.